Hello all, welcome to my channel. Let's learn about fractions today. For this, we should know what is numerator and denominator. Let's talk about numerator. It shows how many parts you have. And denominator, how many parts the whole is divided into. Let's see an example. This is one whole. The whole square is filled in. So numerator will be 1 and denominator will be 1. This equals to 1. Let's see another example. Halves. This is half. Numerator will be 1 and denominator will be 2. And one part out of 2 is filled in. That's why one part is filled in. So numerator will be 1. And 1, 2. So it will be denominator. This is 1/3. 1/3. One part is filled out of 3. 1, 2, 3. So 1/3. This is 1/3. This is 1/4. One part out of 4 is filled. See, this one is whole and 1, 2, 3, 4. This is divided into 4 equal parts and 1 is filled. So how will we show this? 1/4. One part out of 4 is filled in. One part out of these 4 is filled. So equal to 1/4. Now what is this? How will we represent it? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So these are 5 equal parts. So denominator will be 5. And one part is filled in. So 1/5. This is 1/5. What is this? 1/5. Now what is 1/6? When one part out of 6 is filled in, this is 1/6. 1 filled in out of 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 1 is filled. So the fraction will be 1/6. 1/6. Now this is 1/8. That means one part out of 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 and one part is filled in. So 1/8. 1/8. Similarly 1/10. One part out of 10 is filled in. So 1 out of 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 and 1 is filled. So 1/10. Let me ask you some questions. Count the parts filled in and that will be your numerator, and count the total number of parts, that will be your denominator. Let's take an example. Write it in your notebook. What should be the answer? So, first of all, let's count the total part. 1, 2, 3. So denominator will be 3. And how many parts are filled? 1, 2. Then 2. So this is 2/3. 2/3. What about this question? First of all, let's count the total part. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So 10 total parts and how many filled? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So 9. So we will represent it as 9/10. Now what will be the answer? 2 filled, 2 filled out of 1, 2, 3, 4. Yes, 2 by 4. See, this is our whole part. It is divided into 4 equal parts and 2 have been filled. So, 2 by 4. Now write down your answer. Write down your answer. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 parts filled out of how many total parts? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So 5 parts out of 10 have been filled. So the fraction will be 5 by 10. Similarly, this will be 1 by 1, 2, 3, 4. Out of 4 equal parts, 1 is filled. One, two, three, four, 5. 5 filled out of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So I hope now you know how to do this kind of fractions. See you in the next video and keep practicing, kids. Bye bye.